Ever found yourself staring at a form, fingers hovering over the keyboard, and then bam? You're hit with that sudden, sinking feeling. How many digits is my Westpac customer ID? It's a common moment of confusion, isn't it? In our increasingly digital world, we're juggling so many numbers, passwords, and IDs that it's easy for them to blur. And when it comes to something as crucial as your banking, getting it right is essential. You might be setting up online banking for the first time, trying to log in from a new device, or perhaps you're on the phone with customer service and they've asked for it. Whatever the scenario, that moment of hesitation while trying to recall a specific number sequence can be surprisingly frustrating. So, let's clear up this common query once and for all. What is the standard length of a Westpac customer ID? While some banks might have shorter or longer identifiers, Westpac typically uses a 9-digit customer ID. This 9-digit number is your unique identifier within their system, distinguishing you from every other Westpac customer. Think of it like your personal account key, but for your entire customer profile, not just a single bank account. Now, you might be wondering, why 9 digits? Why not 6, or 10, or something else? The length of customer IDs often comes down to a balance between security and practical considerations. A longer ID offers a greater number of possible combinations, making it much harder for unauthorized individuals to guess or brute force their way into your account. At the same time, it needs to be a manageable length for customers to remember or easily refer to when needed. 9 digits strikes a good balance in that regard. It's important to differentiate your customer ID from other Westpac numbers you might encounter. For instance, your account numbers are separate and typically range from 8 to 12 digits, often appearing alongside a BSB, Bank State Branch, number, which is a 6-digit code. Your customer ID is distinct from these and is used for overall identification with Westpac. Where can you find your Westpac customer ID? The easiest places to locate it are on your bank statements, whether paper or electronic, or within your online banking portal once you've logged in. If you're struggling to find it, or if you're a new customer and haven't received it yet, a quick call to Westpac's customer service will clarify things for you. They can verify your identity through other means and then provide you with your customer ID. Remember, keeping your customer ID confidential is paramount. Treat it with the same care you would your password or PIN. Never share it with anyone you don't trust, and be wary of any unsolicited requests for this information. Westpac will never ask you for your full customer ID via email or text message. Always go through official channels if you need to provide it. Understanding the structure and purpose of your Westpac customer ID can save you time and hassle, making your banking experience smoother and more secure. So, the next time you're faced with that blank space asking for your Westpac customer ID, you'll know exactly what to input. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.